Hey guys, it's JayJay Sweets and welcome back to my channel. Yo, get it? Yo, wigs, bitch. I can't stop saying yo because yo, I finally got my wig. Everybody's on this whole HD frontal hype, and you know your girl had to jump on a wave now, honey. This is not part of the bougie on the budget collection because I had to dip into all my budget to fucking get this fucking wig, bitch. This was like $444 for this wig. This is the first time I'm ever shopping from YooWigs, and I did a lot of research to find out which like hair shop or whatever to go to apart from AliExpress, because y'all know, y'all have seen my experiences with AliExpress and I'm tired of them motherfuckers. I really am.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Apart from AliExpress, where is the second best place to go to get HD lace? So let's open up this baby, honey. Ooh, this is cute. This is cute. And in the box we have the wig. Ooh! In the box we have the wig itself and 3 combs. Thank God, because I've done run out of my tooth comb. The tooth comb fairy comes and just picks up your tooth comb and just runs away with it. I don't know, every time I get a tooth comb I always lose it. But I got me a tooth comb. We got this comb and this comb, and hopefully they are heat resistant. And oh, there's a spare band in here as well, I guess in case you want the hair to be a bit tighter, the wig to be a little bit tighter. Oh, and it comes with the strippity straps. That's cute. Oh, now for the peel resistance. Woo, baby. This is a 24-inch kinky straight 370 wig. Lace front wig. Now, oh, I got lied to you. Off the bat, whenever I had done my research to see like the lace fronts, the HD lace fronts, like the lace on the frontals before it's been cut always looks a bit straggly, like somebody just frayed it off. This one doesn't do that. This one just has like a regular good old fashioned you know, lace, but it is like very thin. It is very thin. It matches. Ooh, shut it down, disappear. Sorry. It matches my skin tone perfectly. Bitch, is you crazy? Do you see that, bitch? Do you fucking see that? They say it is pre-plucked. Now, honey, thank the Lord. Cause I never seen the righteous forsaken, nor seed begging for bread. I'm a free. When I buy a lace front and it says it's pre-plucked, this is what I expect it to look like. Now this has been bleached to the gods. I don't think I have to bleach this again myself. Look at this. It's been pre-plucked and bleached, and it is beautiful, honey. Hold on, look at this. Look at this. Let me put it somewhere else. Look at this bleaching. Oh my god. Like, this is amazing. I can't lie, this is actually amazing. And the hair feels so good. So good. So good. Now inside they got 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. And ooh. Oh, I'm not too happy about the fact that alright, so you see how it's a 370, but the 70 is only here. So 370 means it's 360 around the hair, so it's a 360, but instead of, I think it's either instead of 4 inches like across, it's 6 inches across. But with this, I'm not really happy about the fact that it is the 370 is just here, and then when you get to the rest, like even on the side, because I love a deep side parting, and I love it to be like over here somewhere, and I don't think I'll be able to get that full effect with this wig because it goes really thin over here, and I think this is only what, 2 inches. That is really annoying though. Like, look, it kind of just, it goes round and then it just is, they give up on the sides. The hair itself feels great. There is like no shedding. There is no shedding at all. Oh wait, no, there's a little tiny bit of shedding, but it's regular shedding for hair. So YooWigs have their specific brand of HD lace. It's called YooWigs Royal Film HD lace. So I guess that's why their lace doesn't come with a straggly top, because they have their own specific HD lace. This is supposed to be Remy hair. It's actually not virgin hair. Oh, I thought it was virgin hair, girl. I need to start reading more before I order shit. This is Remy hair, so you should be able to bleach and dye it any color you want. I'm still flabbergasted off the pre-plucking. I've never ordered hair and it's pre-plucked this well before. I wanted to do like a proper 360 with it, but they have sewed the hair just where this lining is. So like if you wanted to, it's gonna have to be like a messy bun to bring it up. You can't just do like a strong bun, and I can't do that much plucking at the back. Yeah, all in all, I'm quite happy with this hair, I can't lie. The only problem I had with this lace company is that it took way too long for me to get my hair. I ordered this hair I think 2 or 3 weeks before I went on holiday to Cyprus, expecting it to come in time for my holiday, and I only got this hair last week. Yeah, it took about a month and a half for me to get my hair, honey, and I was scared because of this whole coronavirus shit going on. I thought I was never gonna get my hair, baby. Now the website does have like deals and stuff. Originally this would have cost $444, but I got it for about $300 and something. Anyway, that's enough of the long talking. Let's go crazy on this hair. Let's see what we can do with it, honey. Let's see what we can do with it, baby. So I started off by sectioning the hair into 4 different sections, and for this process we are going to need some foil to cook the hair with. I'll use this brush as well. This is my bleaching brush. I just use it to brush out all the bleach to make sure that it goes through all of the hair. You need this brush that comes with your bleaching kit, and for this specific hair I went and bought the good expensive hair bleach, and I will leave the name down there in the bottom for you to see, but this is Rapid Blue Bleach and 40% developer as well. So the consistency of the bleach, I don't have the exact measurements, but you want it to be runny enough so that it goes through all of the hair basically. So you only mix maybe 2 parts blue bleach powder and 4 parts, maybe 4 to 6 parts of 40% developer. So the aim of the game, if you want all of the wig to be one consistent color, is to mix just about enough for each sectioned part of the hair. So you basically want to aim to finish the mixture that you've mixed on each section of the hair, and then it should all come out one solid color. Now listen to me carefully, babies. Every time you finish one side of your sectioned hair, you want to flip and brush and coat. Listen to me now. Flip, brush, coat. Flip, brush, coat. The brushing is important, especially with a wig like this, so that you get all of the bleach throughout each and every one of those strands, okay? This is actually smoking. Oh, you are cooked. Whew. Whew. honey. Do you see this? This is crazy. What kind of bleach is this? Okay, so I think I was way too slow with my bleaching process. So the rest of the quote-unquote bundles had already bleached to the gods, honey. So I decided to just open up the foil and let it breathe, because the foil actually makes it cook stronger. So I just opened it up and let it breathe. Now when it comes to the actual front part of the wig, basically I just did the bottom bits the same exact way I did the other sections, but when it came closer to the top, I just kind of feathered it out with the paintbrush. You know, we're just gonna call it a paintbrush. Feathered it out with a paintbrush, and then I took my actual brush to comb how do I explain it? To comb it through, but I didn't touch the actual roots. So kind of close to the roots, but I made sure to brush it all the way through. So when it comes out, it does look like you just kind of have a regrowth or something. Please, nobody cuss me out. I know the way I bleach my hair is incredibly messy, but it gets the job done. And remember, when you're doing this process at home, wear gloves. I don't know why I never wear gloves. Like, please wear gloves. Yo, this hair bleached so well. And it's still soft, and it's kept a lot of its pattern. I only lost this much of hair, but that's to be expected because of all the brushing that I was doing. And it's still pretty full. Oh, it's lovely. It feels great. I'm so happy that I invested in this fucking hair. I am so happy with the way this turned out. I was really so tempted to just keep the hair blonde, but I'm not very good when it comes to wearing blonde in my day-to-day life. But the way this bleached so well, I was so tempted to keep it this blonde. Are you seeing this? And everything is the same shade of blonde, and it's a very, very bright shade of blonde. So at least, you know, if you don't want red hair, if you go through this process that I just showed you, you will get this shade. Okay, so I'm gonna put out a part 2 of me actually coloring and wearing the wig. Click that thumbs up button if you liked the video. If you didn't like the video, fuck you, you're probably not here to see it anyway. Hit that notification bell if you want to be part of my notification squad. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of me, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.